If you've been thinking about making the move to Hingham, Massachusetts, and you are looking for a neighborhood that's close enough to walk downtown, has no through traffic, and is great for families, then stay tuned. This video is for you. Today, I'm going to take you on a driving tour through the Prete and New Towne Drive neighborhood. Now, this neighborhood is right near the downtown Hingham. It is filled with families, and it is a fantastic location. So stay tuned as I will show you the neighborhood, give you all the details on the homes. We'll talk price points. We'll talk when the homes were built, how much land they all sit on, etc. And by the way, my name is Sean Murphy with Living on the South Shore and Real, and I help people just like you that are looking to move to the South Shore of Massachusetts. So if you have any questions at any point in this video, make sure to either comment below or check the description and send me a text or an email. But if this is your first time on the channel here and you want to learn more about the South Shore, then make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're the first to learn about new videos where we talk about the South Shore and all of the towns that make up this area. And don't hesitate to reach out. My contact info is below. I get calls and texts from people just like you that are looking to move to the South Shore, whether it's 9 days or 90 days from now. No matter what your time frame looks like, I can help you. So don't forget to reach out with any questions you might have. But without further ado, let's get into the New Towne and Prete Drive neighborhood of Hingham, Massachusetts. All right, first things first that we always do is show you where Hingham is on a map. You'll see Boston top left there. Great town if you need to commute, but even if you don't, fantastic spot. Now, red pin is downtown Hingham. Green pin is where the New Towne and Prete neighborhood is. So very, very close to downtown. You can walk downtown, ride your bikes, etc. Not only that, but you'll see the South Shore Country Club right in the back there. So super close to the golf course as well. Now here is our fantastic satellite imagery of the neighborhood. Now you'll notice it's hard to kind of decipher where the roads are, which in my opinion is a great thing. That just means there's a good amount of tree coverage. So every property will have some old trees, some great shade, but also get some good sunlight in certain parts of the neighborhood. Now, here we are making a left onto New Towne Drive off of Hersey Street. Now, New Towne and Prete connect. You will see where that happens. But this neighborhood consists of 33 homes in total. Every single house here has at least half an acre, some being over 2 acres of land. So you're definitely getting a good amount of space. Now, out of the 33 homes, 27 of them were built between 1986 and 1988. You have a couple of outliers there. 3 of them were built in 1965, and then 3 were built 2000, 2001, and 1999. So some of these are a little bit older. A majority of them have been updated since the 1980s, of course. But there are some that, might require some kitchen updates, some bathroom updates, window updates, etc. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but just back there, we made a left onto Prete Drive. New Towne Drive is a little bit shorter, but this ends in a cul-de-sac. But you can see how beautiful this neighborhood is. It is full of families, so during the weekends, you'll see kids out on their bikes, people walking their dogs, and there's no through traffic, so it's very, very quiet unless you live in this neighborhood. Now, I've been here a couple times. We have good friends that live in this neighborhood. We've come a couple times to go trick-or-treating, and this is a fantastic neighborhood to do such a thing because, again, tons of kids, tons of families. It's a great spot. Now, let's talk prices real quick as we turn around and head back down Prete Drive. The last sale in 2025 here, as of the recording of this video, was the highest that's ever been sold in the neighborhood at $2.999 million. In 2024, there were only 2 sales, one at 1.75 and the other at 2.6. And the last sale that was under $1 million was in 2018. So knowing those stats, there's no chance you're getting into this neighborhood under $1 million. But again, before we get to the end of this neighborhood here, if you are a family, if you want to be close to downtown, but also want a neighborhood and not be on a main road, the Prete New Towne neighborhood is a perfect spot. Now, if you are interested in anything about this neighborhood, you have any further questions about New Towne or Prete Drive, please feel free to reach out. My contact info is in the description. Send me a text. We can get set up on a phone call, and I can answer any questions that you might have. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more info on the South Shore, and I'll see you in the next video.